Hey, so it's like almost midnight and been a crappy day for lots of reasons. But anyway, I sat down to work on my diamond painting tonight, and I don't know, this is my demo. Sorry I'm whispering because my son is asleep, but I really wanted to do this video really quick. So I don't know if you remember it when I opened this. This was the canvas that I had sitting in the packaging for a couple months, and I didn't open it right away. And I was kind of wondering if I was going to regret that. Anyway, I am regretting that. So I don't know if you remember me saying that there was some ripples along this edge of the painting, and that they didn't extend into the actual painting itself. So as I've worked on this, it's almost like in this area there is like a super large amount of tension, and the drill popping is crazy. It's like, I said to a friend of mine, it's like playing whack-a-mole. It's just, can't keep the stupid things down. I've never had this happen with a Homfun. Usually the canvas is in really good shape, and even if there are some ripples in it, this doesn't happen. But it's bad. Like, I don't know what to do. It's just like the tension in this area is really, really intense. Like, this area here has been totally fine. There's been no popping drills. It's really nice. Working on this area up above, and so far no popping drill issues. I got a broken drill right there. I gotta replace. Yeah, anyway, like, you can see the ripple in it, and you can see the drills just pop and pop and pop and pop. Like, I'm about ready to give up on this. This is from Homfun official store. Never had this problem before. If anybody has any suggestions on what I can do to fix this, please let me know. Yeah, like, let me know what I can do to fix this. Like, I'm sure that when I go to frame it, I'm not going to be able to frame this one on canvas. I'll definitely have to frame it behind glass. Maybe when I seal it, it'll be better, but I remember watching a video that Rachel Ray did where she had this issue with a canvas that she did that she was reviewing, and she said that the tension on it was so tight that the drills were like falling off. That's almost what this feels like. So I think my plan of action is I'm actually going to leave this side of the canvas and start working on that side, but instead of working from the outside in, I'm gonna work from the inside out, and then come back and finish this section, like, then do this section, and then come back and finish this section this way. Hopefully, I just don't want to get any more areas like this. Like, I can deal with this, I can seal it, but my fear is that these popping drills are just going to continue throughout the canvas. So I want to do what I can to prevent that from happening. But yeah, if anybody has any suggestions, please let me know. Totally open to ideas on this. It's frustrating, you know, when diamond painting is what you do to relax, and you've had a crappy day and you sit down and get frustrated with your diamond painting. It's, you know. Anyway, the picture's turning out super cute. It's Dumbo in a little bathtub. But anyway, have a good night, guys.